This pounding headache, I feel it throbbing at the top of my head, in between my eyes. My forehead feels really tense. I hate having headaches. This pain is so uncomfortable. But even though I have this headache right now, I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. I'm sending love to the part of my body that's in pain right now. I'm willing to let the pain go. I'm choosing to release the pressure from my head. I'm releasing the pressure I put on myself. Clearing everything that's contributing to this headache. Releasing all the stress and anxiety that might be causing this headache. I can feel my head relaxing now. I choose to feel better in this moment and to invite more calm and peace.